See. We're gonna do Inspirative III by Zoroa. Like, this one I saw on the GD roulette. So I saw it. Yeah, it's really good. I almost don't want to talk to her, just appreciate the music. I just need to go to the opposite. The big white balls. And that's the first coin. Oh, I saw it. This level is sick though. Like, I really love the song. It's like really chill, I love it. But this is some neon ass coins. Oh damn. Damn. What is happening? There's a whole different route. Okay. There's the second coin. Oh. Oh, it's so fucking good. Oh, fucking good. Oh my. Oh. This is amazing. But at the same time, really hard. Oh, I need to do that? Oh yeah. I'm so wait, can I? Oh, I'm so fucking dumb. Fuck. I knew it, I would die here. I always die here. Oh shit. Yeah, 50%. Ah, fuck, not even the staircase. Not even the staircase. Unbelievable. I forgot about the spider. The spider fucking sucks. The spider sucks so much. I hate it. Ah. Oh. I panicked. Shit! Look at this. Perfectly centered. We can see the straight line. Oh, that's beautiful. Except it's not. Cause I died. First try. Oh, young girl A. Nah, I want the original. I want the original Jungle A. Girl A Villager MC AI cover. Wait, I need to try this. Please. Okay. We. No Villager AI cover.
10 seconds later.
Man, why the song when talking about trauma and suicide are so good? Don't take that out of context. Hot take, people should die more. Whoa, wait, wait. Yes! Oh, this is peak. Oh, this is peak. Like, it, in the middle of the game, it just went. Why is this good? Okay, can me some slack, I'm bad. Shit. I don't like that ball. I don't like the spider after it. I don't like the shape. I don't like this level. Fuck this level. I'm gonna kill Zoroa. No, kidding, of course I'm kidding, but Twitch, don't ban me, please! Ah. Fuck, I can't do it. There we go. I don't know why, but I feel like... Oh, imagine the... Wait, hear me out. Wait.
10 seconds later.
Why is my chat so high up? Holy moly. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. I'm gonna get to the end of this. Yes! It's fucking worked! Yes! This is perfect. I love it. We created the best thing ever. Oh man. Just oh, it's too bad it's so quiet though. Like I want to like my SFX up, to turn my SFX up, but when I play levels with sound effects, oh, it will be so bad. This is the best inside joke I ever got. way funnier than the 87 kills. Man, I can't concentrate right now. Shit! the fucking noise. I love it. Oh no. Okay. Whew. We got 73. No, I just love it. It's so unserious. Like, imagine I'm playing like, I don't know, Slaughterhouse, and then to the end, and you just hear that. Stupid ass game. Okay, this never won't be funny, I swear to God.
I'm constantly looking back on what things used to be. As far as the eye can see,
Oh, thank God! Oh, that shit took so long! Oh. That it. Where is it? Where is it? There. That's a 10 out of 10. Really liked it. 760. And that is my hardest medium demon. That's Psychosis is still my hardest. Anyway, how many attempts? 506. Wow. That's a lot.